Hi guys, welcome to our channel. If you are new in this channel, please do subscribe and welcome to the family. Okay, today I'll be talking on how to make use of leftover materials to make fascinators and, if possible, hats. So with me I have the red, the pink, and also the green SINAMAY. So I'll be putting them to use today. And for each strip on this pink SINAMAY, I'll be cutting 2.5 inches. It's always advisable to keep, so no matter how small the material can be, keep it. It's going to come handy in future. So for this strip I'll be cutting 2.5 inches, and it's going to give me roughly 15 to 12 to 15 strips. Okay, now so we'll be forming the strips, and on each strip we'll have to fold. To make each strip we'll have to fold into half, then also refold each half. Then that is how it's going to be done for every single strip you cut out. So you continue that way till we finish up with the whole strip. And on each strip, as I form this one, I'm going to be stretching it. And after stretching, I can be able to form a loop with it. But there is a good idea you should also know. You can simply iron all the strips and it becomes more defined. And by the time you form your loop, it comes out smooth and beautiful. Okay, you can see now I'm ironing the strip and it's going to come out well defined. You can see. So using this to form a loop, is see how beautiful it's looking compared to the ones I have on the table. So same goes with every other one you have on the table, and you can see that I've successfully ironed each strip on this table, the pink, the green, and the red. So for each color of strip, I'll be forming a fascinator with it. So okay, I'm using the green strip now, fire strip if you'd want me to call it that way, or SINAMAY strip. You can see what you can use this strip to do. I'm using it to form loops, and it can also go on your hat, on your small fascinator base, and you are good to go. But as for me, I'll be using each strip for something different, but it's still for a fascinator. So you can see that I'm cutting them into equal sizes, and after that I'll be showing you what I'm going to be using them for. Okay, now I've gotten my Alice band and I'll be working with this band. Okay, and also the felt, which you can see, I'll be using it as the base of this fascinator. And for each strip, I'll be making loops from each strip. Okay, you can see I didn't have enough strips that will cover up this base. So I'll be working smarter here by trying to figure out how to manage the strips. So for me, I'll be attaching each loop at the end part of the base, so that whenever I have exhausted the strips, the leftover space can be cut off. That was just the idea behind this, and it finally came out beautiful. So I will just call this fascinator you are here to see a flower cage fascinator. I hope you notice what I did here and how I eliminated the space between the base. So that's the last loop I'll be attaching will be at the back, so it will look like a cage. So that is just what I did here, and now I'll be placing each base on the Alice band or head band, however, whatever you call it. Okay, so we've successfully finished the loop application. Now I'll be applying or be fixing my flowers to just beautify it a bit, you understand? So this, did I say flowers or feathers? I mean feathers, to beautify it a bit. And okay, you can see we are done with the feathers application. So now I have some brooch with me and a flower, and I feel every other person might have a different options. I feel if you don't wish to attach or apply or fix a flower, you can as well go in with this brooch that I have, or if you have any, that's what I mean. So it will still come out fine, but I like color combination. It's also okay if you'd want to use this, but for me, I had to go in with the yellow flower. So the name still suits the fascinator, the flower cage. So hope you like this, and hope you also like the next fascinator we'll be doing. And after you're done with this flower application, I think there is no other thing to do but to just do some finishing touches and your fascinator is ready. That's putting good use with your leftovers. And you know what this is? It came out very fine and beautiful. Hope you like what you've been seeing so far. And there is something you should know: in hat making, there is no rule that says all your loops must look equal. You can always freestyle. You can twist the loop, and to your to your surprise, you see how beautiful it would come out. So just freestyle. However you feel this should be, it's your style. Go with it, and you will be surprised how beautifully it will come out. So for the new viewers, for those that have not subscribed, please welcome to our family. I would really appreciate if you can do your subscription now. Just subscribe to our channel, and also if there is anything like pressing notification bell, please do, if you'd want to be notified whenever we upload new videos. So please do something, and you can see how beautiful our red fascinator came out. So the next one will be the pink fascinator. Okay, for viewers that are new to my channel, this is the leftover fascinator I even used on this channel. It's a two-layer straw fascinator, and this is the leftover. You can see the reason why you shouldn't throw away leftovers. It's now been put to a good use. I'm forming a pleat for this straw, and at the end it became the base of the fascinator. And on the fascinator base, I'll be attaching my loops that I made with a SINAMAY. Okay, this is fully done. Now I'll be putting my feathers. Actually, I see most people just attach these feathers like that. Yes, you can actually do that, but there are other ways you can still put these beautiful feathers to use. There are ways you can just open up this feather and it will come out more beautiful than the way you're used to do using it. And also there is another way you can actually do it and it looks so beautiful by just knotting this feathers. Just stay with me while I do this, and I hope you enjoy the video. And for the people that, and for the fact that you are still watching up on this moment, up until this moment, I really appreciate you. Thank you for being patient, and you should know that this video is expected to be long because it's a 3-in-1 fascinator video, and it's really educating. Thank you, and please subscribe if you are yet to do. Welcome to the family, and also view our other videos on the channel. I guess it's will be of high benefit to you. Have a great day, and please stay to watch till the end of the video. Thank you once again.